Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Ionic 3-inch Nerf bars on this 2022 Nissan Frontier. Now this is the same install for stainless or for black. The tools I'll be using for this install are a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're starting on the driver's side in the front. We're looking underneath the truck. This is the rocker panel just behind the front tire up front. You're going to find a couple of threaded studs coming out of the rocker panel. Along that rocker panel, there's 3 sets of threaded studs. This is the first one. This is the first bracket location. Now, this is our front bracket. Now, you're going to notice we've got some holes on that front bracket. They're kind of offset facing the front. The front bracket and the rear bracket have holes with the offset facing the front. If the holes are offset facing the rear, that is the center bracket. The same is going to go for the passenger side. So, front and rear brackets, holes offset towards the front. Go ahead and hang them on there. Use the supplied flat washer, lock washer, and nut, and just put them on there finger tight for right now. All right, now make sure you still have a little bit of wiggle room to adjust the brackets front and back. Repeat the same on the next 2 brackets. Okay, now these boards are side specific, so what we're going to do, I've got the driver's side board. What we're going to do is line up the board with the brackets. Now you may need to adjust the brackets side to side to get all the holes in the boards lined up to the holes in the brackets. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and get our bolts started. These are the provided hardware. It's got the bolt, lock washer, and flat washer all attached to itself. Make sure you get all 3 bracket locations lined up and started into the board before you tighten anything down. All right, now once we have everything all lined up, we're going to use a 13mm socket. First tighten down the brackets to the truck, then the boards to the bracket. All right, repeat the same on the last bracket. We repeated the same process on the opposite side, and that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.